welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. This month, I designed these Lady of Florals and Blossom Girls sticker sheets and a matching printable. I really like these bold colors and the abstract design of the girls and the flowers. Let's get started. I will also use these new mini months and the days of the week stickers in this setup. This is a new arrival in my shop too. First, I'm creating my June cover page. I'm cutting out these design elements from the printable to get ready. I usually print out my printables for my bullet journals on sticker paper, so that will be much easier to stick onto the pages. This month, I'm using mainly 3 brush pens: pastel yellow, baby pink, and brown. These are all tumble brush pens. I'm also using 3 earth-toned Crayola Super Tips markers. Now I'm drawing some swirly lines with the different colored markers. I want to create a mysterious and a dreaming feeling for the background. The beginning of the June was so crazily busy for me. First, I got some huge orders from my Etsy shop, so I was making bookmarks and the greeting cards for 3 days straight. Moreover, it was also my older daughter's high school graduation and the celebration, my younger daughter's birthday party, and my husband's company picnic, all in the first weekend of June. I needed to prepare a lot of gifts for them, wrap them, and set up the party. What an overwhelming week! Did you guys have a busy or calm week? After I finished the background, I put 2 stickers on the page. I'm using my 2021 mini calendar sticker and the month script stickers to add some details onto the page. Then I'm using the brown brush pen to draw a brush style frame around the image. Now I'm adding some more details. I'm using a mini star stamp, then drawing brown color onto it with the brush pen as the ink to create the same brown color, then stamping a lot of cute stars onto the page. Just as I mentioned before, after all of those busy days at the beginning of June, I finally got a chance to sit down and make these June spreads. This month, my theme is Lady of Florals. These ladies are hiding behind the flowers and the leaves. Nature is such a lovely place where we can find peace and joy, isn't it? Do you like this page design? Please leave your comments down below. I really appreciate your feedback on my videos and the channel. Please show some love and like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you find these videos useful. I'm really grateful for your support. It means so much to me. Next is my June monthly intentions spread. This is a new spread that I'm trying this month. I'm not a person who manages my time very well, and I also delay things very often, which is why I wanted to try this intention spread this month to set up my goals, so I will be planning my work and the life events much more efficiently. I'm designing this page with an open space layout with some sections divided by some lines. Then I'm placing some stickers at the end of the lines. This layout style looks very free and interesting. I really like how this turned out. I'm setting out a few sections such as ideas, personal, my Etsy shop, family, and the extras. I'm adding some pink lines along with the thin ink lines. Then I'm stamping some brown stars on the left side of the spread to finish the look. To finish the page, adding the June title sticker. How do you like it? This is all for this video. I hope you will find some inspiration for your own journal or planner. Don't forget to check out this Lady of Florals printable and the matching sticker sheets. The link is down below. I hope you will enjoy using these designs in your own journals. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!